Welcome to Session 7 of the Primer 2. The session will discuss the ethics lessons in managing projects and ICT for development. The learning objectives for this session is discuss the ICTD issues and challenges, the ethical issues, lessons and good practices in project management, and ICTD. Lessons in ICTD would include management and e-government projects. It's similar to managing other types of development projects. There are differences though because of the specific needs of ICT nature and requirements. However, ICTD, e-government projects must pay particular attention to managing change. Any ICTD project requires the efficient and effective delivery of services to citizens and must consider business process re-engineering. ICTs are not a quick fix for development. People's needs, not technology, should dictate the project design. For ICTD projects to be successful, the following principles should be observed. Participation by all people who are part of the project at every stage. Local ownership and capacity development. Mix of technology. Multi-stakeholder partnerships. Alignment with the larger demand-driven development efforts of partners, particularly those related to poverty reduction. Institutional ownership and leadership. Competitive enabling environment. Financial and social sustainability, and risk considerations. So what about issues and challenges in ICTD? Project management methodologies evolve and are generally used in developed countries. ICT projects are mostly donor and vendor-driven in developing countries and governments. Governments find themselves as beneficiaries and consumers of technologies, both in expertise and ICT products. So ICTD and ICT systems development of technology in developing countries are still new and need more improvement. ICT projects and project management are influenced by cultural and political factors of the organization, and the environment must be considered in developing, planning, and implementing of ICTD projects. Some projects, systems, and applications are made or donated with prior consultation or carrying out a needs analysis by recipient organization. Sustainability is also an issue for most ICT projects funded through grants and external sources. Products that are created at times are not continued due to unstable ICT resources, inadequate budgets for ICT, lack of ICT policies and master plans to guide investments. A focus on ICT applications that support traditional administrative and functional transactions. Some of the issues also in ICTD will be intellectual property rights, piracy issues, for example. Then security issues. There's also the unethical use of systems applications and then the internet. And one of those issues also in relation to ICT projects are graft and corruption issues. So perhaps one of the ways to address this is to ensure support from the top. Research and benchmark on standards. Have an organizational change management plan. Sell the idea, the stakeholders buy in through communication plan. Acknowledge change reactions. Take a systems approach to change. Consult with line experts in the organization. Collaborate with different users. And for other best practice, make the system easy to use. Communicate the change. Create excitement. Build competencies. Get the right people. And ensure humane redeployment. Ensure that support systems are going to work out, and then test and evaluate progress, and create a culture of professionalism in the computer use. I also suggest that you provide rewards and reinforcement among the staff. So ICTD is relatively new and will need to evolve learning lessons from ICTD projects. Ethical considerations will be observed in implementing ICTD projects. Good practices in project management are guides for better implementation of these projects. Now I enjoin you to read more of Primer 2, and I suggest that you do all the activities in each chapter and test yourself so you can find out if you've learned so much from these sessions. Thank you very much.